Hey guys, so I'm just gonna do my hair, and I figured I'd just do it on live stream. So you guys know, I guess last week, Wednesday, I think, or Monday or Tuesday, I did my hair. Hi guys, had it blown out. So it's been in this blown out look for, I guess a week now. So I've been combing it up in a ponytail. So I just wanted to show you guys how I freshen it up to be sure that my scalp is always moisturized every 2-3 days, more like every 3-4 days, especially people that have dandruff and very dry skin. You want to be sure that your scalp is always moisturized. So this is how I'm going to freshen up my hair for today. I'm going to use two things: the herbal hair mist, which I'm still working on a better spray bottle. um, some people have the spray bottle and it starts acting up right from the beginning. So if it does, pour it in another one. I am still working on getting a better spray bottle. And the Haitian hair butter. And the Haitian hair butter, I don't use too much in my scalp because my hair has gotten really thick with the Haitian hair butter. So what I like to use more is the herbal hair mist. So I'm just gonna part it. I think it's been 2 months since I put the Haitian hair butter. So I don't remember if Jade put any for me when she did my hair. I wasn't paying attention. I was just enjoying her hands in my hair. So I'm going to put a little bit just to moisturize. And you don't need a lot, guys. Moisturize my scalp. You notice I'm not even using a comb, a brush, nothing like that. Just using my hands, keeping it simple. I'm spraying the scalp. I don't really want my hair to get wet, so I'm just focusing on the scalp, since that's what I'm trying to hydrate. A little bit more butter. If you're looking for hair growth, you can use a little bit more. If you're looking for thickness, you can use a little bit more. That's not my goal. I already don't know what to do with this hair. I think the last time I put any spray on my scalp is when Jade did my hair last week, so it's feeling kind of dry. It seems like I'm pulling hard on screen, but I'm not. I'm really not. You guys know I like to do really low maintenance with my hair. I don't do much to it at all. Okay, last piece. Oh, feels so good. And I just put a little bit in my hand and kind of work it through my scalp. If you have hair loss, thinning hair, you always want to give yourself a nice head massage to bring the blood to the surface of your scalp. If you have issues with blood, you're anemic, low iron, you especially want to do that because your body is so busy making sure that your organs are supplied with the correct amount of blood that your hair and skin is the last place for blood to filter to. So if you have skin issues, your skin is dull, your scalp is dry, your hair, you have thinning hair, hair loss, be sure you always give your scalp a little stimulation. 3 to 5 minutes a day and you're good. Okay, so let's spray a little bit in the front. Got a little bit here so I can put up front. Just because I don't use gel and stuff like that, so I just want to get it slicked back just a little bit. And this is the first time I'm using a brush in, I think 2 years. I think I'm going to leave it like this. Tuck in the scarf if you don't want it to be seen. Okay, and voila, there's my puff, my big puff. My hair's starting to shrink, but it's still very long from when I took out the braids. So little by little shrinking to make sure. Yeah, the front is good. I don't do all the edges and all of that stuff, so. Alright guys, I just wanted you to join me while I was freshening up my hair. Thank you. Have a nice and amazing day. Bye.